In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on developer options on your Android. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up settings and scroll right down to the bottom and you should see about phone. So you want to click on that. Then you should see software information, so you want to click on that. Then you should see build number. So all you need to do is just click on there multiple times. Then it may ask you to enter a PIN if you have one. Then just select continue. And you'll see developer mode has been enabled. So what you'll need to do is just come back out of here. And if you scroll right down to the bottom, you should see developer options. So you just tap on that. And all this does is bring up obviously more advanced options that you can use, such as stay awake, your screen will never sleep while charging. And obviously there's loads of different options you can go through here, different settings, which you can obviously look through and then pick out if there's anything you want to change. And then if you just want to turn it back off, just toggle it off at the top right hand side. So once you come out of here, you'll see developer options is no longer there. Thanks for watching.